how much Allah loved Prophet of Allah was just unique. If you understand the example, let's go back in the history. Prophet Nuh alayhi salatu wassalam was prophet for over 1,000 years. At the age of 40 he became prophet. At the age of 40 Allah gave him prophethood. For the 950 years after that he preached his people, Qawm Nuh. So altogether 990. At 990, when he was 990, his people were destroyed who denied his message. After that he lived for another 60 years. He lived for another 60 years, so 1050 years was his prophethood life. So in this period of prophethood life, Allah sent revelation and wahi to Prophet Nuh 50 times. 50 approximately was the revelation sent to Prophet Nuh in his entire period of nubuwwah, which is over 1,000 years. Come to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam, his entire life of prophethood, Allah sent wahi and revelation to him 48 times. Come to Prophet Adam alayhi salatu wassalam, his entire period of prophethood, Allah sent revelation to him 10 times. Prophet Isa alayhi salatu wassalam, revelation 10 times. Now come to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At the age of 40 he became prophet. At the age of 40 he was blessed with prophethood apparently. At the age of 63 he moved on, he passed away. In 23 years, what is your good guess? That how many revelations, how many times Allah sent wahi and revelation to the beloved Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? In 23 years, Allah sent revelation to him 24,000 times. Allah.